All right, welcome back. And now we are going to declare the variable. And there is not any kind of particular statement to declare the variable. Let's say I want to declare the variable with the name of x. X is going to be my variable. And with x, I want to say value of the 4. So that it is. You don't have to do any other thing after that. You just give the name of the variable and then you can assign the value of to that variable directly. And you can check that whether it has saved that value or not. So I'm going to show the print statement for the x and let's run it. So this is showing me that yes, 4 is being printed. Let's take another try and now try to declare another variable with y. And for y, I'm going to give the name. Let's say I'm going to give the name of the Smith. And again, using the print statement. And in print statement, I'm going to show the variable y. And this is showing me that Smith is being displayed. So this is how it is being working. Okay, so for the same y, can I change the value? Let's say like first I declared x with the integer. Integer is something like numbers. So I say x is going to have value 4 and then I changed my mind. I said no, x should have value of a, b, c. And now I'm going to show the print statement and here I'm going to display the value of the x. Okay, here this is number and here it is string. The like combination of characters, this is our string, and that's why for putting the string we have used this double quotation. So now let's see that in print statement what will be displayed, 4 or abc. Oh, abc. Why it is like that? Because the value you have saved it the most latest in the variable, that is going to be saved in that variable. When you put x is equal to 4, 4 was stored in x variable. When you again change it, you said x is equal to abc. Then now the value of the x is abc. So after that, when you have shown it in print statement, what it has done? It has shown you the value of abc. Okay, so this is how you're going to display different type of variables. Let's see, like instead, can I use any statement to show the value, that show the type of the variables also, that what value it is going to have. So let's say here itself, instead of okay, I can use the new code. So just pasting it, and I'm saying that y is going to have the value of abc, and I'm going to give it some kind of a value, and here I'm going to show that what is the type of the x. So I'll use here a function which is your type function, and here I'm going to use type of the x, that just show me, that just print me that what is going to be the type of the x. So let's see. It is showing me that it is from the class of the integer. Similarly, if I want to show that what is the type of the y, so let's do it and show again that what is the type of the y variable there. And let's see it, that y is from the class of the string. So you can see different variables like from which class it belongs to. So this is how it is being working. Okay, so same variables also we can use. Here I need to check one thing. Either this is working with double quote, or if you work with single quote, that is also going to be fine. So let's see it. Let me show a is equal to, again, Smith. All right, and this time I use double quote, and b I'll use again, and now this time I'm using single quote and displaying Smith. And in print statement, I'll use a print statement, and in print statement, I'll use a, and then in print statement, I'll use b. So let me see the result. Oh, if I am using one statement in both way, I need to use the same thing. See now, both time Smith has been displayed. Either you show it double quote or you have shown with single quote. But if you are using double quote, then you to end it also with double quote. If you start with single quote, you need to end to also with single quote. You don't need to do like first time with double quote and second time with single quote. All right. So we'll continue some exercise now for the variables. So come back and check the exercise with me.